Whoever eats the most calories gets your trainer for 24 hours at home with your partner. So you are going home with Carla. Where the fuck?
I am totally stoked to take Bob to Motown to take him home with me.
Joelle is a mess. I've got to go to Detroit and tell Carla that she's still in this game, but her teammate has been running by the skin of her teeth every single weigh-in. Carla's teammate has been at the bottom for the past couple of weeks. It's going to be an interesting time in Detroit.
Okay, well, all I can think about is I'm going to Detroit. I'm going to Detroit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just really excited.